In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use Doordash promo codes and deals. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for savings, how to keep new offers coming to your inbox, and a few smart ways to make those discounts go further. First, open the Doordash app, or the Dasher app if that's what you use, and head straight to the Offers or Promotions tab. This is your home base for current deals. On Doordash, you'll often see limited time discounts, free delivery promos, and personalized offers that apply automatically at checkout. If you're using the Dasher app, the promotions section highlights incentives available in your area. Take a moment to scroll through, tap into any offer to read the fine print, and note if there are time windows, order minimums, or location restrictions before you plan your order. Next, sign up for Doordash email notifications so you don't miss exclusive codes. In your account settings, make sure marketing emails are enabled. Then keep an eye on your inbox for subject lines that mention percent off deals or seasonal promotions. These emails often include codes that aren't visible in the app, and they can be time sensitive. If you're cleaning your inbox regularly, consider creating a simple filter or label for Doordash so you can find these messages quickly when you're ready to order. For an extra layer of savings, use a browser extension like Capital One Shopping when you're ordering on a desktop. These tools scan for publicly available coupon codes and test them at checkout. It's not a guarantee, but it can uncover discounts you might miss, especially during holidays or local promotions. Make sure the extension is active on the Doordash checkout page, and if it finds something, review the discount details before you apply. If you're a new user, try applying codes like Dash30Now for up to $25 off or Welcome ALC for 25% off eligible alcohol orders where permitted. For existing users, keep checking your promotions tab. Many people see personalized 50% off deals appear there, especially around weekends or big events. Enter any code on the payment screen at checkout, confirm that the discount applies to your order subtotal, and look for any minimum spend or item category limitations. A quick tip: before you place your order, promo codes often have expiration dates and minimum order requirements, and some can't be combined with other offers. Always read the details, verify that the discount shows up before you pay, and refresh the promotions tab if something looks off. With these steps, you'll be ready to grab the best Doordash savings whenever you order.